So you've seen the pictures of what the cabins look like on the cruise ship website. Now the question is, are they true to size? Let's go take a look at the cruise ship room that we stayed in, which was an inner cabin, and give you a closer look at the finer details that cabin has for you to enjoy.
Going up to the fifth floor, see if we can find another wheelchair. So here we go. Well, let's do a little bit of a tour of how much space we've got. There we go. I think these can come down. Yep. Okay, there's a few more hangers there if you want to do a two-tiered hanger thing. They say if you need more hangers, you can ask for them. I'm not sure what the ladders are for. That's curious. Maybe somebody knows what the ladders are for. Okay, and then down on this side, we got hair dryer. Okay, and up here, well, there's your safe. And some more cupboards there. The lighting on this doesn't look very good, but I do feel like we've got adequate light here. Okay, and then there's no other thing. Oh, there is. Down here. This must be your fridge. Yep. Okay. More drawers there. There's a little side one there. And then over here we've got this side one there. Okay, that's what we've got for luggage space here. Ports, we've got that. I don't know what that turns on. Oh, that light. Oh, and that light. And there's telephone announcement channel. There you go. Okay. And then we've got some hangers there. Oh, sorry, that's the light for the bath. Oh yeah, that is the light for the bathroom. Okay, I can turn off the light on you there, Trev, while you're in there. Shower. There you go. And the towel rack up there. Oh, sorry, you gotta be. You can tell this is my first time going through these because there's. Okay. Friends of ours are staying in a balcony suite, so we're gonna go check out that just so you can see the difference between the two different staterooms. Ooh, so pretty. Okay. You have a great view of bathroom is the same as our bathroom.
Why did we stay in an inner cabin room? Well, we weren't going to spend a lot of time there. Unfortunately, my husband did spend more time than he was planning on it because he did get seasick. One tip that I have for you, if you stay in an interior cabin, use your television. It actually has a live streaming video of what it looks like from where the captain is, or what's the word? Where the captain view is from. And so that was great. When it was time to wake up, my alarm went off. I would turn that on and be able to see what kind of day lay ahead for us. And I really enjoyed that feature. I didn't need to have an outdoor window because I could see that on the television. So there's a little insider tip for you if you're cruising for the very first time. Hope it helps. I know this was a pretty simple and direct video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, I would love for you to be a subscriber. You have no idea how important it is for me to have you as a subscriber. It helps me know that you're enjoying the content that I'm creating, and I really appreciate that help. So if you wouldn't mind, hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. We're almost done the review of the trip on the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, Navigator of the Seas. We're going to do a few of the port stops that we had. And after that, we're going to go back to what I would call our regular programming, where I do some more cooking. We're leaning more into the gluten-free stuff because that's the direction that I'm heading in. But it is time for summer camping, and I want to show you all the great things that there are to do in the province of Alberta. And there'll always be other things to do. So stay tuned in the coming weeks as we go and discover more of the things that Alberta has to offer and hopefully come along for the journey. I will see you all next week.